Hello students, yesterday I am discussing about this question, but here some mistakes in question, so I correct the question and explaining again. Now what is LHS? LHS is x to the power a by x to the power minus b into a square minus ab plus b square into x to the power b by x to the power minus c into b square minus bc plus c square into x to the power c by x to the power minus a into c square minus ca plus a square is equal to x to the power 2a square plus b square plus c square. This is RHS and this is LHS. Okay. Now, according to question number 1, the sum is doing. Okay. Now, here x to the power a by x to the power b means x to the power a plus b when b comes on above. Okay. Now here minus x to the power a plus b. Okay, so x to the power a plus b. Similarly here x to the power b plus c and here x to the power c plus a. This is doing because the base are same, here x, here also x. Okay, so now we remove the bracket from base and give bracket to powers. Okay, so it comes a formula a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, which is the formula of aq plus bq. Okay, similarly these are also formula bq minus cq and bq, aq plus bq, bq plus cq and cq plus aq. So it comes when base are same and in multiplication powers are added. So we add all the powers aq plus bq plus bq plus cq plus cq plus aq. Here we got 2aq, aq, 2aq, similarly plus 2bq and plus 2cq. We take common 2, so we get 2aq plus bq plus cq are in RHS x into x to the power 2 into aq plus bq plus cq. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now today we are going to solve some simplification. Okay. At first you should know this formula a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. It means when same exponent are in multiplication their powers are added. Okay, and when a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n, it means when same exponent are in division their power are subtracted. Now if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, it means base are same, so powers are equal. Okay. Now question number 7, simplification. 3 to the power n into 9 to the power n plus 1 by 3 to the power n minus 1 into 9 to the power n minus 1. Okay, so we write 3 to the power n into 3 to the power n plus 1. We write 3 to the power n into 9 to the power n into 9 to the power 1. Okay, because powers are in adding. Okay, powers are in, so we write this in multiplication form. Okay, now here powers are subtracted, so we write here in division form 3 to the power n by 3 to the power 1. Okay, because we know 3 to the power n by 3 to the power 1 is 3 to the power n minus 1. So we can write in reverse order. Okay. Similarly, 9 to the power n minus 1 means 9 to the power n by 9 to the power 1. Okay. Now it is in division, so we convert the fraction in multiplication. 3 to the power 1 means 3 and 9 to the power 1 means 9, so it converts and comes with numerators. Okay, so here we got 3 to the power n into 9 to the power n into 9. 9 to the power 1 means 9 into 3 into 9. Okay, and in denominators we got 3 to the power n into 9 to the power n. Okay, so we cancel 3 to the power n, 3 to the power n, and 9 to the power n, 9 to the power n. We got simply, when we multiply these digits, we got 243. Okay, now here question number 3. 5 to the power n plus 3 minus 6 into 5 to the power n plus 1 by 9 into 5 to the power n minus 2 to the power 2 means 2 to the square into 5 to the power n. Okay, now this is question, so we write 5 to the power n plus 3. So we write here 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 3, because 5 to the their power are added, so we can write in this exponent in multiplication form. Similarly, here we write 6 into 5 to the power n into 5. 5 means 5 to the power 1. Okay, now in division, 9 into 5 to the power n, here 2 to the square, 5 to the n. Okay, so we know 5 to the cube means 125. Okay, cube of 5 is 125 minus 6 5s are 30 into 5 to the power n. Okay, here 9 into 5 to the power n, here 2, square of 2 is 4 into 5 to the power n. Now we take common in numerators, 5 to the power n, we got 125 minus 30, and also in denominator, when we take common 5 to the power n, we got 9 minus 4, so we cancel 5 to the power n, 5 to the power n. 125 minus 30 is 95, and 9 minus 4 is 5, so we cancel it in 90 times. Okay, 90 times. Now question number 8. Okay, solve the following equation for x. Here are some equation. We know first question is 7 to the power 2x plus 3 is equal to 1. We can write 7 to the power 0 in place of 1, because any power of 0 is 1. Okay, any exponents whose power is 0 is 1. So we write here 7 to the power 0 in the place of 1, because base are same. Okay, so for solving the equation easily, we can write here 7 to the power 0. Base are same, so we remove the base, not cancel. Okay, only remove. So here 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. We know when plus 3 comes from right hand side of the equation, it change into minus form. So 2x is equal to minus 3, and here 2 is in multiplication, so it comes in division. So x, value of x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now what is question number 2? Question number 2 is 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 4 to the power x minus 3. Here both base are not same, so at first we should convert both the exponent in same base. Okay, so here we write 4 into 2 to the square. Okay, because 2 to the square is 4, so we write here. Now we multiplied the power 2x minus 2 3 is 6. Okay, now base are same, so we remove the base. Okay, what we get, x to the x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. Here we change the x and digits one side and one side alphabetical value. Okay, so when 2x comes from this side, it changes into minus, and 1 and comes this side, it also minus. So 2x x minus 2x is equal to minus x. Here minus 6 and minus 1, minus minus added minus 7. So we remove the minus sign because from both the side are minus sign. So x is equal to 7. Okay, now what is the question number 4? 4 to the power x is equal to 1 by 32. Okay, so we can write 4 2 to the square to 2x. Here we can write 2 to the power 5 in place of 32 because 32 is the 2 to the power 5. We convert to, when 1 by 2 to the power 5 comes in numerator, changes its power. Okay, minus power. So here base same, here 2 2 is 4x, so base same, 4x is equal to minus 5. Therefore x is equal to minus 5 by 4. Okay, now this is question number 5. 4 to the power x minus 1 into 0.5 into 3 to the 0.5, 3 minus 2x is equal to 1 by 8 to the power x. Okay, so we write 2 to the power 2 in the place of 4 and 1 by 2 in the place of 0.5 because 0.5 means 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. We know 8 is the 2 to the power q is 8, so we write here 2 to the power q. Now here 2x minus 2 1 is 2 into, we can write 2 to the power minus 1 in the place of half because when 2 convert in numerator, its power becomes minus. Okay, so here 2 to the power 3 also when comes in numerator, its power in negative sign. Okay, is equal to power to the x. Now here minus 3 minus minus plus 2x, here 2 to the power minus 3x. Okay, base are same but not removed because here is 2 base, only 1 base should be required. So we, here base are same, so we add the powers. Okay, powers are adding 2 to the power x plus 2 minus 3 plus 2x. Okay, so 2x 2x is equal to 4x. Here minus minus also added, 2 3 minus 5, here 2 to the power minus 3x. So base are same, so we convert this. Here 5x 4x minus 5 is equal to minus 3x. When it comes this side, 4 3 7x. So and here minus 5 change in this side for plus 5 and x by 7. Okay.